Na wo ho ye. Still uma one so kakra bi ka ho akabeboa. Network ni ye okay, yabe no kakra sa. Na se wo hefa.
No, the place, no Bazana.
Oh, hefa.
No deportation.
Deportation camp.
Yes.
Okay. Na enche enra na me hu video no. Your friend is saying nipa bi emema bi omo ka twi na just omo ye Ghana for omo bo ma na eba ne saying
Also, we must.
what's that?
Ghana, currently, but no one comes to me.
What's you can be line on na and shut down your papa and just also.
My mommy announcing the fine check to people. On to me. The money do.
Maybe I would try.
No. Although bad now, I wouldn't pass now. What want to do?
Line no still na problem kakra wo no me hwese menya no normal caller and obey a bit better. No, you can't show. I'm trying to get her on normal call. Hello.
Yeah.
That's a way near better kakra. What's a main camp? Good, okay. I feel the young casa now who can be.
One of the women in the reason we do not see money say. I didn't know me a Ghana ni about not mean they see Ghana ni Bema. Into more reason no.
Omo reason into omo be bo na wo video no mu ne say adenti na wo ye Ghana ni ba na won date Ghana ni Bema.
Yeah.
Na Saudi Arabia for mra na kire say wo ye Ghana ni o so wo date Ghana ni wo ye Abidjan ni o so wo date Abidjan ni ana say me that sign
Omo na dey from Ghana show me some.
Omo ankasa ye mra wo Saudi Arabia o say wo ye Ghana ni o so wo date Ghana ni.
Sorry to me. Almost say
yes.
Don't go past in the bar. Almost so.
Na assembly to say sign na ebetumi aba.
Some more can, but me must tell ebetumi aba, but almost statement or mutual.
And it says okofa assembly ba eba be da omo so.
But see me on Ghana for more hano. Almost na e money.
Me ebia me o say nkofo bebre bisa asam no me pese me bisa asam no wa kyerem no obi ate ase enti me bisa asam enye se bia me na me bisa but ensam nkofo bisa over the period no eno me bisa enti so wo kyerem a no mo ate ase se obi ka se bia okofa asam aba me nim sa Saudi Arabia ye se ebia wo ye oba na wo ne be mo ye wokunu ewo twemp na ye betumi de wa ko prison eyampa.
Oh, I'm a castle, say I'm packed. But they're trying to say, and none of the has say, but when you find a like air consul, I'm not more castle here than in phone. I'm not the not more girls the brave room and say. Ain't more like Obia, they see because of fair oil banner. Obey you will be on that wow. If they are also so hard dying, so Sunday count could see only papers, you know. Also, very more but Some could do die crana say 2,000. What to make you do 4,000?
80 no na kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo no ɛɛpa kyerɛ sɛ mo Ghanafoɔ maa no ɔmo bɔ mo ho ban sɛ na bia mo nkɔfa asɛm ma ne ɔmo kyerɛ no ɛno nti na woyɛ Ghana ne na wokɔ date obi a ɔmo na ɛbɔ no ɔmo bɔ wɔ hefa
me fie
na wada wɔ wo fie wo na wo boy no mada wɔ fie
ai
enti no mada wɔ fie na ɛna ɔmo ba bie dan no ɛba hɔ anaasɛ den
like me am not for lazy back no fie ono girl back na na fie me da me yetu na apartment nti me no back nti me me dey see me hu na me say madaka na nti am for you abẹ mo obo me
wada na u
ana me hu say omo na right amu bo me si mi bi sa girls no we say that girls no me see you could be on again no right inside
na kyerɛ sɛ girls na no mo fie na from say boy bi Sudan ni bi abɛhyɛ hɔ
that the girl no like no di kokonsa and so what has that like Sudan ni
odi kokonsa sɛ be me bi abɛhyɛ hɔ
but one can say African you can't say like in Pafita white man and other show. No, Nini Pacopots na Osio.
Internet near China say girl no na called you consa say obi abɛhyɛ hɔ nipa broni that is our down from the back corner can obi dynamo into wo da hɔ a wo bɛhwɛ so mo pie wo so
so mo ba I'm on the phone yet like white man even like omo better
line kwikwa kakra bi nti just wo se omo mbɛyɛ sa no ma yɛ den
papa ba kwa me tuna ne fie like when say the time man to je ba
na mmɛma na ɛbae no obi apɛwo da wo mu na wanyɛ anaasɛ obi pɛwo na wo mpɛ no na wo pɛ Sudan ni no na ama ne buafu
yeah I'm de ba ko ma like okay me but me mpɛ
afɛ na asɛm ne ni da hɔ ba ma me ntena se die afɛ na asɛm ne boys no ɛyɛ ɔmo ya but obi wo mu a opɛ wo na wo mpɛ no na wakɔfɔ Sudan ni I see na me too
like you just need to more back if you are no girls almost 60 while you need girls maku fight and after if you back quiet I'm an iron to come young girls
ne opa no fi na motu na moye ma 16 ono kwa afa 5 wo mu
no
kwanu ho
like yeah me madam so maybe I used to my any problem me no those go ma say no if I have my best no we do the mo na
na ubedu eduam na eden
na ya wadam amanso dia obi a wuni ho na oni no wo like
yes
and into na mama kofa wo no bi obi animu no
okay na meba o sesei no ahoban bɔ na ɔmo pɛ so ɔmo bɔ mo ho ban no ɛne so ɔmo ba ɔmo kuta camera ɔmo kuta phone aso camera edi be record o edu nakedness abeto abonten enu na ye se omo bo mo ho ban no na very wrong me pa cho say omo ya den
because minimum one we come home and say ya omo to me just die if you are single woman no and father sick. Later, no money by my that is what we are born more to. Then we should be a Jessica. Also, one man, I'm up. It's here, man, Castle, the Nina by the two because we need to watch your rent, but in Chiaka.
Na kyerɛ sɛ Ghanafoɔ no a ɛwɔ Saudi no ɔmo ana di mu Ghanafoɔ no bɔne ɛnyɛ Saudifoɔ no anaasɛ ahɔhoɔ no nipa a mo nim ɔmo no.
I have a phone di bɔne ba I have a phone na yɛnya yɛkɔ bɔne na ɛyɛ ayakayaka deɛ mo nsa na Arabfoɔ no.
Mo a mo kuromfoɔ no na guy no ɔmo ba hɔ na ɔbɛyɛ saa deɛ no wonim ɔmo like obi wɔ hɔ a wonim no nya wo so wonim no na ɔpɛ wo na a wɔmpɛ no yɛfrɛ no sɛn.
But I know so hard. I only one and not but no one body.
And that's all known your power in a small so mumble. Are you on a small?
Okay, but I didn't mean they any now he don't see obi owa abantin because you know what body.
I didn't know when they Ghana ni na wo date Sudan ni.
Because ni area na me say e hono na omo ye sa meeting no. Teni san bia ni hu omo no mo group wo hono.
Na asemi si ye no.
Na so amenchia omo na me twem. Na me come there.
Na woni asemi si ye no wabɔ police for amane na ase bibi na ase ana wana wo dia manyame.
After it starts to them call police station because
any break here na wo say how say na ye den.
We call police station call because we need to say
woni nkrata etasi Ghana for woni omo wa kwantuom no mu say woni nkrata omo na bedi ubone no etasi because omo nim say woni ba bia akọ hwe Kofi Adoma ye video bi say Ghana ni ana for yan ye ho bone o say Chinese ni ba ko betena upa afadan ba ko rent in Nigeria ni or the Nigeria for e wa ala tanyina ba betena sa dan ni mu ubehu say enche bia na Nigeria for ha ye ha nyina ma for Chinese ni ba ko bra bun say de bia na ko fa ni nua ba na we ba Ghana ni de ono be ni nua bone e wa kwantu etasi de bia etasi papa because Ghana ni nso woni nkrata how de be wo be den ena anya Ghana de no nko a oni wudi asem wo Ghana ha onim say wo fi abroche na baaye wo baaye no wo wacha wa manto besen akọ nti obu onwe hu enu na esi wo Saudi Arabia ho no ade nti na wo be fa camera akọ kode obi nakedness na wo de ato abonten enti sesei no mo ya Ghana for sen na mo detention ho mo ya Ghana for 17 mo nyina mo ya ma nko a ma nko 17 like Saudi ho ni nyina no baby amowo no na Ghana for 17 wa na say another different places Ghana for bi wo baby omo nyina under detention and I say omo deportation omo deportation omo twan say Ghana ban be kwa akofa omo aba enti sa woda ho na ban be fa wa na woda ho
government ni be traffic but nyina na we be ko
government by Ghana government and I say Saudi government
Saudi government ni traffic kita o chane kakla
no the maba mo
and ba di nso yim wa chepan and omo be start
enti wo chepa obi timi di be say how many how long ewo deportation ho
like any corona time no. But because of corona, maybe in your first month, the actual
maybe na other camps no. We shall Ghana for do be saying other camps. So we your friends saying deportation camps or more on Baba Ghana.
And the other deportation didn't mean that you power because I want to change our husband, the home power.
I see. Now, how not baby, I'm down hot to saying, how conditions are hot to saying, almost show ye, mo didiemu at the saying.
Okay, I have the idea, I mean, that other deportation don't mean that.
Now, say, you know, boys never boo movie, ever boo ye. Almost record video, and almost signed no call, baby, no more call, me boy.
I'm buying. My especially into my almost say, almost boom, feel it's so one night warming, you know. But man can't say. Now, I expect I'm okay, we see, make me up and be last, we didn't have a share on the don't be a lot bit car, more time than no call.
Never will I break you. I also almost do on 9 war will feel how we on record video. Now almost a year then.
Most of the call could charm me about.
Almost I don't know a different place. And I don't know almost cow my saying.
Mankind because no one wrong anyhow, mankind.
It is say, you know, sir, a friend is saying Ghana form man more Saudi Arabia, no. More a damn problems they are to me facing. Like, what are some of the problems I'm facing with Saudi or?
How do I say no? Like, there are companies for now. I use no matter no one high because. Kenya for her, Nigeria for her. But who say, only 4 years, and your money tiao, or my Betia for Bono, or my saying. But there is an appointed, or money high.
Ghana, not a problem. I was Saudi, Ghana for men, and no one, problem. Was Saudi Arabia.
Hey, the woman for no, Omoya Bonnie. But so quick, you might call out the name when she our car. Okay, catch your mom with me for this kind of mouth. And I should not bear more, but you know, master. And bound one of me, who saw my bloom anytime, and you saw my book and the other.
It's apart from war, I deal with a beer to another woman, another Obabi or her winning about Anna.
Therefore. Obabi bebre ebi o mo me koni si kobono nhiano akobono
na omo emema na ye omo to me fa foreign girls they be Ghana ni be ma na odeti Nigeria ni ono so odeti Sudan ni
omo to mo date outside
na then no omo to me date outside na e man de omo date outside na e omo ya
no
it is
like almost bonny. And I'm a cat when and I almost pretend they say almost bonny. But they know I perfect.
Ain't you know, say you know, a ban sign na will copy deportation ho.
Like this in more I call for other attacking.
Well, I need break it kakra no.
I come for.
And
I very attacking and down for.
Okay.
If you like, say you're not, you straight don't be crying, you know. You're a police case.
And
the police come by and say, I don't see any things me back home. It's to save our life, man. I was saying, I'm stressing about I want me, hey, bad. It's and I'm soon a baby because I believe one. I'm a passion, so more for my coma. If you are late time, I'm best man. I saw that the hammer. I'm the about the plot.
Ain't you know, a conform by attack mu fie.
Yeah.
And I'm one afraid police for no. I see. And a police for no say I was some of them Ghana because ebia na mu ni nkrata at the same time no ebia mo te ho a na akonfo na san ba attack mu biem.
Yeah.
What call how many months in? About 3 months in.
Yes.
And when in Crawford, Ghana for Omadasa deportation be a chepa.
I said, if you are madam, only know what program I would make sure there 1 year.
Obia the deportation 1 year. Nana wo kase Ghana ni bi ono de neba 2 months ene ye be fa no call deportation o se bibisa.
Ono no ya chi no.
Ya chi no ko prison.
Yeah.
No mo so wa ye den.
Onya je so ni papers.
Enti oni papers enti na ye de no ko prison no.
Like about deportation here deportation. And yes so prison. Prison maybe a wire bomb.
Okay.
Yeah, jail, but the deportation is a prison. Like you deport to Ghana. So that I have not time I take it. Never do so now.
Na neba no 2 months na ye be fa ne maame na ye de ma o maame no ko deportation na ye de neba Ghana no. Say neba no wan.
Neba no waka one thing.
Serious. Waka bonten like say akwara 2 months. Omo de akwara no ma obi ana so omo ye na me nti ase.
So depend. So no ni papers. Enti me say dem ma na wo ye so ni papers a. E just suppose be our papers not like obo no ma me de account. And so you scam so ni ska de account de ka.
Enti no chese say na ono ko deportation no ne ba no aban be fa no ko ba bi obi hwe na na say
it's on the face.
Owo fi obi hwe akora na na say aka nipa no ko deportation how many months ni?
About 2 weeks.
By 2 weeks ni. Akora 2 months there so num no fo ni ade. Enti Saudi no obetu se obi ene ya ye kasai se obi kasa opese okọ Saudi a wobe hye ne nkran so onko ana se obeka trense mo onko.
Oh, that is me. Country be say man and I have question because Ghana krano it's a small bit ko to make it feel ankasa. E ma sina me ame wo fa iron chempa. It will like clay. Now imagine Arab ni, no the same color. But a bit about lucky. If you want more power, papa. I will go to the so I need to papa, and then the problem, madam. If you know, the way around the media, who is Kabia, who won't tree, yeah. For to say they are over house degree. But all about the area, really. No son of it to an almost the way nothing.
I just we are young girl na say wo adwuma bi ye wo ha be papa say wo betena ha. Say wonni bibia ye wo ha na wo betu kan akopɛ wano aduane so wo hwɛ wo husu yie.
I say ho see because I have no bano. Me say we bano o be so. It's in the mama never come, and then I was away. So, you ma a high Ghana ma, you did penny say, you be able to do a penny or a penny chon. I say, one of my collaborators 10 years to make the do a penny. So, then it's penny because we need.
Enti no, say no. O twan say Ghana ban be arrange no omo aba be famo I say yetumi yem say ebinom so wo Kuwait ene ya Ghana fo bi so wo your friend say Philippines or exactly friends Philippines I see your friend Philippines ebi so omo contact so omo so aka home person omo ba then emoa ben na wo be hia say emoa ben na wo hia immediately ya ye kasai
The me on say, let's say that I'm a done could do young.
Na just say obi hia ne say obetumi aba be duru fie simple. A friend saying nipa na omo bebo wo no is it because say bia omo beka say so wo wunye Muslim ana
that me Muslim you Christian.
Wunye Muslim we Christian.
Yeah.
Na say Islam law no kra na me na fofo bebre kra me na fofo bebre na ye Muslim omo say ade na nkofo no ye no kire say eno de Islam kra de nka ho kra say obi ada na obetumi akọ record in nakedness what you say some nkofo we no omugu osom na nimu ase no when na catch say we Muslim a obi ada obetumi akọ record in naked na Muslim ni kra no be ma no oba kra no tambia no wakata ne hu nyina ne nanim enti say we Muslim na say we yes ade na wagu ankasa we nimu ase wagu osom na nimu ase some nkofo no me kọ report o ma Interpol almost almost many months. Almost in my life because this time I know so maybe me next maybe I'm worried. Maybe I don't know like. Dabi, and you want to make us a winner could be worried. Dabi, couldn't the Obenya be? Ubenya kunu. Omo, it won't say Ghana Hano, I did be about question, Mema green you almost say. Ube to me once I won't buy issue na me wa naked photo me de koto abonten me wa naked hade no enti no sa bi no mde ye if you are nigga me person me record o naked we record obi naked and for obi an ho bi sa de na twam ye nkura asesem ko ti ase nkura asesem me wa naked photo me de koto me wa naked na aye den obi a o person set obi up na obi akofa camera de akodo me ko twa wo naked photo me wo twa me naked photo ka den me a private. This is about the 3 years. When you guess, I'm afraid we are me a private. Okay. What does it? Me a private. I will become a naked photo. Oh yeah, so I don't know. And yet, and I remember the brave you should get in man.
I'm a buy and non come here to say the council. I'm a man in Shatare. Nanka don't become or my country. Or my princess in Shatare. Isn't protected. My everything Mama buying Nana. Don't you about this night?
See, you know, Crano, I'm not when you know a minimum discount. Discount Nana Premper Crass or Bewaro, or see him or Bewaro. Yabaya Masadiano are unattractive, and ma be brewer. They have look, their lives have come to an end just because they may be semi naked for them. We have to look, we have to kill it. Who control baby naked a wicca? Wicca cranny, who says, yes, of course, it doesn't make sense to me. Who control baby naked now you who cry you be feeling no more? They say, crown of boys, no, Obia Pes, Obia Bewaro. They say, when I'll be selecting your open. Oh, bravo, your life has not come to an end. There's so many women who have suffered this, and it's not right. This kind of abuse, we have to find a way to kill it. It's very, very wrong. Okay? More I mean, can't say Ghana, when who say, Sabi, Oba, Abodama, Waron, Ahe. It is not easy. And we live in a society where, if you ask us niggas and buy, Nankophobia be who say, no, if you ask us nigga, then I know your ding. If you are the ayeno, it is very wrong. That's why I support if you ask us nigga. You cannot do that to a woman for no reason. You cannot do that. When we say Sabi Oba na gbi mu hano kakrapo obewro no emema ye board mani aroya ho na de da so near the nam circle ya near the nam kaneshi you will see how many women yankopon abo ahye nipa trimu say Oba no it is very difficult sir obeyi no ho and so to me fa camera say wo ko record Oba na wo de abeto abonten what you say na say me to na akwa bi asa so a journalist dia asama or me naked photo into a story. The family phone and me cry mad and for them to use this one is clear, use this one. Me need time for kwasi asemu. Me so song kwasi asemu so. Use when e clear but no cry me mo HD video. Use when there was a kind of experience when they bet me anti naked akwa. Yen and anti corner ya chia ni aboyema. Abi na obi hu. Those things must stop. We your person come here plus there na hard win and ni so wash dodo. Why then obey sa ade no? Adam ni if your bomb no mo shatade na mgade mu enti no your friend is saying me nuaba they say you know nkofo bebre o Saudi o so person bo kasa won kwame I was say no ye ne nuaba wie na ye frɛ ema na e wo Saudi no ye ne o mo kasa na yetumi pushi an agenda bema aban betumi ehu mmobɔ no wabɛboa mo they say there can be more line here faint into can you no be anti what's one thing person oh yeah then
you catch your mom bear sano
yes
the obia boni no mbetiana Ghana embassy wa ha omo handle the person to Ghana embassy na Ghana embassy name nkasa but omo ba bu to the sense any funny criminal the Saudi police the clan and kebaba told me that day now maybe obey now you deport me about me
yes
only right to say obey me nika say omo me no na my yare my blood are short so I'm in the blood I'm at the hospital within 3 weeks time no me no and no case because you know my can for yare and now madam made me come hospital
Emma ne how say ni nyina aka ho
so no na mo dey me a mo find you people because obo how that me taking a life
yes
just right. Because of the my unity
Diamond medase Ghana fo nyina da so omato wonka friend saying say bibia besi bia no mayehu say moa bia wo hia apart from say obaba fie no say wo hia moa bia mama sonte yan de ade aye ne say yebo anipa say boys no make report o mama Interpol we ase no bibia ye wo enne no wo ye bone wo India wo ye bone wo Ghana wo ye bone wo Ghana ba bia into ye international police ye report ye the video no ko kire omo human rights abuse the video no ko command Interpol for so omudu Ghana happy ebe chi omu nyina sa wo si wo ye muslim a eya bisa sa adenti na Islam no oba akra no ye ma ne kata ne hu nyina na wotumi ko record obi what you say and na me kana obi si o boys no baako o mama me boys ne number so baako no si o feel pa na me feel nkwasiafo me feel nkwasiafo sa wo ko yes age we so wo feel me sa den what you say wo be feel me sa den and you right you know that one me da si pin nyabotre e mane how why so problem bia o how me number framing me nua base count so hawari the way now can say enya ade abema bia be ware no da bia enya nokre mema bebre wo ho enya emane ye bibia e be hye wo so say enya wo so odwen hwan so beba fie beduru fie asomdue mu na onya wedwuma papa bia ye tumi ahwe wo bibia be ye okay wate you say ye nyina so be campaign ye nyina Facebook be bia ye be campaign sa ban be boa na Saudi for mo ye 17 pe say ebi so other camps enti no ye nyina be campaign say ye be sra aban say omra no be fam na say ye dede kakra ya na honorable Kennedy Japan kofa MSF Kuwait say emu ba akofo ba enti no ye hifafo Lebanon for okay okofa Lebanon for enti no yes your campaign ya hwese benya enipa omuso betumi raise sika na mo am Saudi Arabia ne sa region no mo no na omo abefa mo nso aban ya ne de na yan si betumi aye no na ya aboa mo enti no bibie ni a obetime nka why
yeah
yo medase pin Saudi na moye okrum ha na mo de kopie Saudi Arabia no so obi si am friend wa Saudi Arabia na Saudi Arabia for mo boys na mo gu Saudi Arabia ye begum anim asepa one of the guys
I know the guy
o kan ho no mo ye Saudi no omba wa kasa no ye den ogba sha wo for obi hu
Alifa Yeah, Kwame.
Good. Ah, o de uni nyansa dodo. Ah. Asa we die duro nka me be fra wo kra.
But me say over friend my very tight the whole week and we say Aj ayi ni munji ya Aj ni Eid al-Adha na mama is so tight. And you say be a program no No, I'm coming up to them on Sunday.
Yes.
On Sunday. And Kwame, Interpol na uka saka say ebia yedi baba Interpol moba Ghana. We don't have to wait for them to come to Ghana. We don't have to wait for that. This type of stupidity, Islam doesn't accept it. This is un-Islamic, Kwame Ebras.
Yes.
In Islam, woman, what did they know about Islam for them to beat somebody's daughter like that? It is not them only. Kwame Ebras. There are a lot of them in Saudi Arabia. This is what they have been doing with these little girls. The girls know how to know. One kolani ni kratanti. Wamuju wamushika. No mabu wamu. No more that. Kwame.
From the numbers.
And yet, me mako minim Saudi. I know a lot of things what is going on, but sometimes I just kept mute to look at something. I know a lot of things.
Wako Saudi.
For 4 years. 4 years in a row. Every year, sometimes me to call twice.
Wow.
I know what is going on there.
Wow.
Only this year, the equals to our quarantine, I know what is going on. The equals to our, say Jeddah, I know what is going on. The equals to our Riyadh, I know a little bit. So guys now mobile guy no, wamu ina mo Riyadh, wamu leader. Friend saying, wamu leader na one leader wamu kwana. Estati sano madomana like what she is akuno. Wabagana, Mala Musa computer. Test whereby meaning you go back and forth. I don't want to come out on social media without no proof and evidences. Anything my D. Namono and Ramini Kasaye. Wapamacho say, why more investigation on certain things? Because I just don't want to come on social media to talk. I want them to be arrested. That is what we need. They need to be arrested for doing that stupid thing. To disgrace Muslims, to disgrace Ghanaian, to disgrace women.
Yes.
This is
there are so many people, and a lady in the car, and Obi bet me taking a life just because of this issue. Until we need me about number. What I say? I mean, friend saying. Yeah. When I say my friend Abdallah, Kwame, please call me on this Ghana line. I'm a blogger in Saudi Arabia. Good. My main friend Abdallah. I was Saudi. I was Ghana number. So my friend the Ghana number. So 0244 404075. 404075. Enti mo amwo Saudi no, na mo pese me frɛ mo no. Mo nyina no. Mo fa number, o de number no to ha me frɛ o. Na mo nkyerɛkyerɛ saa asɛm wi a ɛkɔ so wɔ Saudi Arabia mo na obi hu na mo yɛ Saudi no. Abdallah.
yeah, come.
Me nu ana design.
Oh, me hu ye papa come.
Me nu ana your friend say asɛm ya abeto ho yi. Wo so wɔ Saudi.
Yeah, come in Saudi Arabia. I've been there for more than 4 or 5 years. COVID-19, I'm a me a respected blogger on social media. Me kasa if Saudi Arabia.
Yes.
Yeah, boy, you know, on these issues, about to say about very serious topic.
Yes.
I mean, we go through it, me know, me be here programs, go come and take so go, Baba the fire power now, so me fire almost at 1 to 10 because me walk, me walk, but you come, now couple of ano. It's all volunteered. Do almost twice. And the man, some good kasa, and the man do, and the no giant, we know boy ever honor, who also know what friend will say what me. No, what's up, and number 2. Executive, sir, or more ever gonna do that situation. Or more equity, strong position. Or take a young Polano, the Polani,
sɛ ɛnya ɔmo na ɔmo ɛsa nkwalaa no nti sɛ akwalaa na wɔfa no no wɔni ne sina so sɛ ɛnya issues a asɛm no ɛkɔdu ɔmo nim a na ɔmo ayɛ kataho wɔ so me nyinaa na yɛwɔ hɔ no me fire some time ago ɔmo frɛ me sɛ ɛnyɛ ɔmo na ɔmo te saa nsɛm but the issue is now it has even gone out of hand to extend Islam ɛsom ɛma ho kwan Islam what you be when you were yere and you got a woman adida.
Yes.
The Omuye, it is not part of Islam. Coming. I am again. Say what addresses that issue. No. Say chromosome and more point that. Mother, show the way ya kata your home. Yam emma. The way your kata home. Chromosome and catchers. Say who will be not the Ghana so when you know yere a haram and your pony or so with him a fair one for check. Uncle Away, more fun channel. Into lesbianism, and it is because of fear member way and my no a binuma do almost to me shankwalano almost kwalani sika so mo ense ni fia almost ni kratanti na o ma tina sika so obeti me no o ba sika more than 100 million abra wo tani sika ni mami yare e me ye baba ni mami operation but obeti sika ni edi because of obani ni kratanti obanu entimi fa no ko be dianti na we dey free me kuta member 5 Almighty Massacre, more than 500 billion. So difficult. But boy, who are your friend, Rasta, very notorious, and you can have them. Ghana Embassy, Ghana Youth Association, 24. Almost what give my Yonicasa was that give my Yonicao. Or more, Omukopo and Palano, Lukutomo, Odiosa, Gelsa, or more entrepreneur. Girls who so almost a champion will be before Frono and talk about girls in Timino, Odios is flowing. Emma Memano Mukopo and Qualano, Baku Menu Mesa, Penifono, no, Casach Renny girl and say, Ubaya meet you, so when Yamano meet you. We will work out Okobo Qualano, Audio Ekutami, 10 minutes audio.
Not as a Saudi Honyoma Kosu Hopa.
Listen, there be a me Kwame who visited me page, even who call YouTuber, Dollar GH show, who never a question. This is not the first time you get a man. That's why notorious guy, Memo Channel, now what the mom, there's a state in Saudi Arabia. Very nice state, be small town. I have friend the man. There's a notorious guy there. That what you are, Mr. Fire, my police for channel.
Not just a Ghana form man was Saudi. No more problem. Pa, your Ghana form man, I was
this is the problem. You see, they always will treat them as their respected contract houses until they find ways and needs to come out and work. Okay? Into a mobile body or work, there is perfect opportunity for them. In the contract as well, 1,000 too. But to about when you do more power, what you make 2,000 in a month. And to about Sanua, they left their passport behind. Or Canadians about Bontia, will find a passport and call. And to about Bontia, she doesn't have any legal document. In Saudi Arabia, if you don't have a residential permit, you cannot buy a SIM card. You can't do a bank transaction if you don't have it. And the man no take advantage. Omo koye do mana so mo discover na so mo semi tia. Omo take advantage na mayo na da. Omo te wi na ya ye do na momo. No mo di. O wi na o ba di scam so o ko seni. Wo pa na wa ko di scam no. E do wo pa wa di scam na ya kan tafi. Scam na o ba ni ba ni kan tafi. Na o bo discover kwa me. Media se me na ponchi na mo so wi Arabia me ko area ye pro ye friend no mafua. Na se me na ponchi ya. Ye se kai ema be bro o ba ta me mini. I know. That's when you Zongo, sorry, Zongo, they call Karatu Zongo. Niswa Bibia or Kwame. Just visit my page. You know who never cost. And Otina part 2, I'm coming to break your audios one after the other. Now, Opia who said they are not also clean. They are not. Mate,
Medasi Pin, MC Saudi for Memano, Omwega Papa near a Memano de Koya Yunia Bano, I was Saudi, a man Memma Nebia, Minia Bakuaha. Or say on also or Saudi Kwame Ademi who you again semini ye crasitina. Kwame no be Saudi numbers be aba person come funny pami. But na ya then your correvers. Move. No messages no dos. Na Kwame who ni me. Oh. When na mo hwehwe wo baby na Kwame Ademi hu ye usu hu ye omontro mo san tro na mane biom na memfa nipa ba mienu bi na yampon ei edos mo Then you the coffin. Munimia, Munimia, we saw your IT knee. When we're number near the bomb, 00966 55 670 1236. Yaya Ibrahim Alhaji Ibrahim Yaya good. En fa Alhaji ni entie. Twa ba ku so abo yi ayi baaki ahe baaki de ne hia me pa. Ena Honey Bali obi nsevi Honey Bali je ye fa omu mienu na ya pon. Yaya
hello Kwame
na te san minua
yo na wo fe
boko na de na ekoso wo mu kuro mu hoyi.
In fact, I did a course in fact, I have some of us, me saying I'm a teacher here for the past 15 years.
Oh, we a teacher. Yeah, we a teacher was Saudi for 15 years.
Yeah, I lecture English here.
Wow.
Now, so I know I am a good in fact, we have that's what we say. We have course, but so many courses from Ghana.
Yes.
So they classify. They think that all of the guys here are also with the same soup. But internet is there are some of us here who are doing very good work. We respect these girls here, but actually they're very unfortunate.
Yes.
Then there's no way, and there's no rules or a bema what in Russia would say never call bad day, never call cardinal. It's not done anywhere. How my way there are some of the Ghana boys now, they also have girlfriends who are from other countries like Kenyans and Nigerians.
Yes.
So what power do they have to go and tell or determine who
they have that for one. The girl says the girl wants to friend someone who's from Sudan. So what's their problem? If you go alcohol, if they're going to meet the girl there with a Ghanaian boy, would they have done that to him, to her? Sorry. Oh, just because I don't know, because yes, they're very bad. Here in Arabia, the girls when they run from their contract houses, they become very vulnerable. They don't have documents, so. Those who went there to do that, they themselves they don't even have legal documents here. They are also illegal here. They are illegal. They are also legal. They don't have valid documentations here. So on the way to you, they tell me what Quran verse or what Islamic law actually says. Any man can go into a woman's room to go and catch and beat her because they say the girl is was prostitute or the girl has taken a boyfriend. They themselves, there are many Ghanaian men here who friend with girls like Kenyans and Nigerians and whatever.
It is the same. No, Mona Moya and Penny for no, one way and Penny for or not, as some way are then a Moya found.
Yeah, say I can say we meet every Friday, but I am not a constant visitor to that group because of such things I have because you don't even want to belong to that situation. I call some of the my friends who are constant elders here. So I said, the elders should call those guys book. So and that's what we do there. That every day you invite me to come to meeting. If this is what you do there, then don't classify me to be part of you. So I asked them, so if this is what they are doing now, then they don't have to invite some of us because it's a disgrace. So if they say they are not aware about other things, then they should call the guys because there's a video. Everybody saw those guys in the video. So they should call them and then do some action to them.
Yes, Obi, your friend Alaji Muntala Mola. When Obi Muntala Obia was Saudi Arabia Bia ba Alaji Muntala Alaji Wojidin Bonne Alaji din Bonne pa na wo genesano omo mobile live video so nipa bebre Obia ba betro Alaji Muntala Mula ewo hefa Alaji Muntala Mula na walaji na Obia bo wudin wo hweye alaji ye kasa obi Islam ni a waya alaji a ne ebo wudi madam for Nino Brown won kantro Nino Brown to me nkan samanyan Nino mini utase na alaji ugu osum no ho fi uji di bone nke ebo wudi ya si alaji o ya de papa wo Saudi ma ye do ye alaji obi ebo mi nim say no kro but obi oba he bi ebo alaji muntala Some boni ye alaji muntala mola adan uru alaji ujidin boni me the whole Accra bisobia madam fu bia your Muslim everybody no tiwe or your Muslim or American Muslim they need bia madam fu bia your Muslim what you say akasa mia me ye ntino ade na mo ye no mu gu osum no hu fi enye mu jai sa ade no ochina ye sala what you say ade na mo ye na nye mu gu osum no hu fi mame ayi we na da number no eni number ne ye den honey no mama me honey no then 00 59 28 769 honey no omi so o won sem kapa na wo de ye nua no ma no ye nyina tu kwan kasanoma so ho mo fa na mamra mo fa kasanoma na mamra na me frɛ no ye nyina ye tu kwan wo nua no metu kwan kope mo bebɔ mo nua ma no ho ban no hwade amoye hello honey
yeah
ete sign
Yanko Pando me hu yo na nso
me ho ye pa wo Saudi Arabia
ba chwa
omo abu bia na
that's you
na then na ekoso wo ho then na what are some of the problems that you are facing in Saudi Arabia how would that there be for no dum honey line you be say friend biem Muntala no mo kana sem o dabi se mu wala ji munta yen fre no ombe yi na hello sorry line no cut here kafra na mo se den na ekoso wo Saudi Arabia
the apostle had enye easy like youth for no Ghana youth association for no enye easy omo ha like omo so mo yempani for omo no mo boy girls na ye ha say no but the fact say any papers mean you know mistreatment nkwa
nasa
it was quite unfortunate say at me back but no nkwa so no mo this edino
na mebo church we mu kire me Saudi Arabia say boys no me ade on ye no o ma say ade na o ye nyina ade na wo di video wo ko record obi video what you say
that is it I have say kan emra ma ho kan say oba o nya unua ba na say o ye ni kan say o ve na ni Islam
what me hwe na ni mpo na wa ko run no ho akotwa na video
the police aba any people say I wa say police be me aba on be ba be bu da ni no mo rem na say you are naked after full no more pee no more gina kwan na no more catch say atade na wa atare ansa na even say wo ye boni bi kra odan ni mu a o mo rem no mo ni wa ba bebi o mo ma megina ho nhwe ne ka say atade even in kofu o mo kokobu gay me adwuma me wo mu sesi girl ba ko ba ka me ho wa ha say sa papa ne na de girl ne ba adwuma mu ha mejo na se bibi the papa ne my pressure power adwuma mu ha say sa Ghana youth association ku no ma ke se Ghana ni ho kire na no mo de aboa no girl na no obeka me ho adwuma mu ha say no ofle sa papa na de ne ba adwuma mu ha ofle ne ba ko o kan problem ne kire no eno anu no fe na on fa bi Ghana youth association WhatsApp group na for na wo mo asa for hene e na omo no
kai wo se wo du sika ma omo so omo ye den
wo du sika ma omo so omo send ma wa no mo di even wo de ma omo so omo $1 ma na fa to ho na wo ba fi a wo de aba omo diska no omo di ensenya mo wa bi even omo na ka sa na omo so omo ye ben for ha se no omo na so omo ntumi mo omo but almost say a penny na bo mo asafo hene wa say and I say girls no mo ankasa kwat me can get me bottle 4 or 5 no mo twempna but so we say unua ba ni obi I will free other country twempna mo kwako wura kwako twa ni nakedness e dey ba begu na animu asị
na wunim Haj Muntala Mola.
Yeah, Muntala Mola oye you ha say oye blogger e wa ha
no ye ni papa there.
Oye blogger wa ha say ya o din kakra wa ha say Saudi ha say
oka ho onkofo ogbonidi enkofo ogbonidi ebia no mpeso mo say ni din keke enkofo bebiri ogbonidi wa de no so sa Alhaji Muntala
Enra oye about Facebook live eba be ye program about this issue ya efre emma omo ko bu girls no omo kwan omo kasa oni show no so
na oka ho ana so onka ho
omo ko bu girl ndi onka ho
like oye be person mo establishing for to me
program
enkofo to me say enkofo ala obi a tro ni din wa ha oye obi oye basabasa na so yi papa and I say no na ye nkofo bi ehin no ma shada the platform we be say no
one say oye blogger ni dey maybe ni programs are oye on Facebook or quite a lot of followers can talk to Facebook and the programs are oye maybe ebi ni ya adwen ebi ni nya adwen
and you know so wo ke nipa na meba wo ke nipa na omudi sa ensem no Saudi Arabia na Alhaji friends Muntala Mola no nka ho
that be on come on no different city ko no ojida sa city are you say in be there on the case na area the hanesi me I'm in the same city with her even here na the same area
enti no se mema no moji musika di
mpacha fe
wo se omoji musika di mema no ji musika no mo di
omoji di pa omwende omudi pa sanya dala ba ufe dala sa okan no kre omudi di pa one man is kase ko sande blame no e mako pe e no omudi no kre mako pe ndi ono obeji sika no be san charge o say me send no ko akosende no ju say nti o charge o be ko akosende o the receipt be be o be sika na ma o pepe but most of them no to so no sika kokko di ni nsemu a eno anu no obeji be ma sorry na onim say unni papers untimi fani nko bebia untimi nya ne hwe
monne munua manom ti akwantuo mu a mo bebo mo na ne amoye
enya easy o mom na etwe san wa ha omo no na omo
gan ni trese wo ko wani ma omo se trese ya de we wo fie saa de ko pie saa de fa na ba kono bra oba pa me da se nyame nhira o fa na ba kono bra 00 boni nyina bra
0966 560 750 063
Kasanoma GH also feel baby and then me track Kasanoma too.
Hello.
Kasanoma.
Yeah, about you. Good evening.
Good evening. Kasanoma, asamna me so what ni na ansa na ye be ka asem no pese wo clear ade bi wa me. Say bad guys no more Saudi ni ya woni mo nyina.
Meaning the
Alhaji Muntala Mola oka ho.
Oh, ono there on the oyobi o ta church na dream. And most of the time no, I say wo no.
Why Kasanoma so why say why?
Very watching like look out watching no.
Enti onka ho.
Daddy, and medium who
mo church ade no ni no brown. Bum jai sa ade no. You say Alhaji onka.
Yes. Most of in man I say advice in man so. Omo ba say no. So omo ba contractor. Once everyone say mami, everyone say obi or Saudi man no. Most of the time omo nye juma like citizens na omo nye juma like omo sum in man angata. Sometimes omo bank na say mo mema mo bros na mo bank na say oba be ra ho no ma o be ka say mo nyina mo pie na man ni be answer mako. You can't even talk to a woman like and be looking at her face. If you advise man say Saudi form man because omo nyade na say omo need to we fi na say omo invite Ghana form man no eba country ha say na yeah mo mu safety o madam fufo na omo wo Saudi ha say ano omo tuma dada mo say oh we dey journey fi on abetena me nchen u betena me nchen me agent we ma we juma wa say we be nya more than we into safety ano mu journey fi ha say corner.
Oh, me Alaji Muntala. Oh, the number to war. Mufa me
anyhow. Enti esa na omo bagana na omo mechanical say ebia the Chinese feel me contract owner ni feel. Omeka say me buy me pa no odi me betina ni nche no more fit me or hear me say na
Alaji hold on Alaji hold on akasanma hold on Alaji fa na ma metumi afro wo so to ho na me fro we say am pesa me fro Alaji Mutala no na ono ankasa na on be cheche na semu your friend say em say Alaji wo online your friend say akasanma pa to aso we say man no yentu omofo na mo mu tietie
Amoba amomu tete confirmed. Amomu tete confirmed. Amoba say amomu the ombe focus on more contract 2 years and there. They plan for what ma onankasa obe like obe renew contract now. But amoba say no tete confirmed so na omu jani fifia. Eza na passport years into ko on ma ze oni nemu kwa. Ndi Ghana for no hu sana na fe de obi a be say oyusu. And I also to make cash. Omo fe be na omo say ye be say no mu to me yeshi truth me say me who adi we see na me the police case me the police station see I'm rather doing the girl harm girl no what video I'm doing her rather harm because omu girl nangasa na first of all she's not supposed to be here into nangasa no o me punish no and before I'm deported no once Ghana girls be na jani na some be immigrants na I won't make it can be free. Into won't make it can. Instead of Omagasa on better omo ticket, any omu no ma bagana no. The brainer bet penny omusikano ako Ghana. Now say oma penny omu send up to the police say yen deport omu. And the government in Israel say this is what they've been doing. And they say Uber or say yen deport wa. Better that keep you or how to say you spend every penny you earn. And make to meet now over 6 months. And Ghana embassy no to me here she found because this is like a punishment for you. It's over spenia. They have 2 options. Either say Ubeko now starve whilst you are waiting for deportation, and I say Ube in some room Ghana boys no you sue anyhow.
Okay.
And most of the girls on move breast.
Okay, maybe na say you know. Say your friend saying say adena obani ye no say against the law ye nyina ye tiase what you say say it's against the law on be on worry no ne bema but say do you think that a right so the camera be call obano nakedness I call recording is it right?
Very wrong very wrong
it is na ye papa bi no mo ye kra na so ma say adena mo ye ni nyina
even police has a police in the campo. They don't even have the right to enter the room and do what those people did. Oh. Even police no more saying they will never do that because if you who police know yes I didn't say Omutia, you the police know you can easily be executed. You the police you can easily be executed. So
sir, maybe akasanwa maybe say hono omo who your police ni say ka police ni kura na yes ade no omo boys ni ye na ka betumi ekunu betumi execute no.
The punishment can go as far as killing you. They can execute you or they can jail you. As long as if you harass a woman, fine. As long as it's a woman, even uko shopping mall, na say Uyo Bema, na say share oba like everyone say the way Ghana for you who emane show mutu ni tanya manyamano. Uye sadine na say oba ni who na so be recording na your report you are in trouble.
What about to Saudi Arabia like or kwana wo hwe na ye wo problem?
Yeah.
Don't kind of no one for Saudi Arabia.
Obi na recording no munya sa evidence na your report to na chua. That's it for you.
Either
you'll be in prison. Or even the women trample recently and almost started to say almost drive. They even made it illegal for them to drive. Just say you don't have to do anything. The animal, we are bar as long as we are bar, we are Saudi. Then I need to say nada. They at the end of the month because you're a woman. You are not supposed to even work. They said they worship them and they worship the women. Not to even talk about foreigners. And so most of the girls that come to these women, most of them are treated right. If you see almost if you are maltreating a foreigner in the house, that means they know that the foreigner doesn't have a paper. And so we are foreigner and I say, Ghana, and I say, a house in Saudi Arabia, and I say, your documents are valid. Or do more too, even if they starve you, common food, if they starve you, and even if they give you food that you are not comfortable with, you can take your ikama and a residential card. Which means that call police station, you go and report, and they will deal with the people in the house as long as you have the card.
Natural say, Saudi for Nankasa no almost same rank. I will say, and no to me boy Ghana for no na on my brother to me.
Son of my
natural say,
we went on.
And yet, Omukromu man on show we almost shed like we are bank one, the ambassador we.
As long as we are banned, that's it. Even Saudi, we have blacks who are Saudi people.
Yes.
Like original Saudi people. You
yes.
Blacks or more artists. So, we are all, like the women are all one. They are mostly treated right. Most of the houses are treating the women right. As long as you're a woman, they will respect you. So the only houses that they maltreat you, houses are Omunim say, girl, we are go school, and I say she's not educated. She hasn't read much about the laws in the town. You know, they take advantage of you because some book and now call police and you call report here. The only thing the police will do, the only thing the police can do for you is to deport you back to your country.
Okay.
And before they will deport you, and some people deport you at once. Most of the time, you stay there. And you start, it will take a very long time before.
Okay. Akasanwa medasipi enkrofo bebre eka alaji muntala mola alaji. Mpesa alaji na ono ankasa mbeka na semni enti your friends mumo alaji na mama me
00966
00966 583 035 431 Mfra alaji ono ankasa mbechreche asemni nche Nino Brown so online so Nino fa ona mano to wona wo na wo du so na wo ya alaji
Number you're calling is busy.
Oh alaji o se ya frafe o number
you're calling is busy.
Alaji pacho me hu se wo online ka call no so na enim gase je ya your friend say Nino Brown me never see one muta me je sure say Nino ni muta la wo personal issue me Hey, na dia mimi hu se na yedi kofo mu. Di o. Oh, alaji. Alaji ne na ma to afi e fra alaji amfa. Alaji me san fro bi me pese obi be ka se ya ma okwan ma wan kan wasem. Oti ase enti no alaji me san fro bi o mesre wa fa se na be ya asem na wo ho no wo betumi a kirem na ebia na obi pese ogu eni mu ase a na asa ba kwa me fro ya wan fa esa na o ma dwebe o say asem mo kan no kra ebi so na nya no kra alaji oti ase enti na me so wana o de to enti no and to say David Atahagan Crabtree says is very true. Nti bia no person say we ni nti alaje mesrewa okay obi say it's true I Nino ne alaje wa personal issues try make cry because of AC menya
wrong number.
Hey alaje my friend na mana alaje amfa because ne buy as a your friend is saying me nua ba bi was zongo so person o chena o de me call dinner Saria to hey, me hubo Zako ana Sariania. Hey, Sari dia semuli. Ye my bro. Saria mumo di no mami hu Sarionia. Hey. Tina yen di ya se fa ma kuya yawo. Yes, Samira na make na cracking na me. Sarionia. Na wo de Samira wa hefa. Na wo kra wo ye Muslim ka wo hu di ne bo. Abusiafo madam ase. A friend is saying, I was seeing you start a campaign. I bet me aboa na aban atumi afa omo a friend was saying omo Saudi no any other places no. Halifa Pacho, hold on, mama, 1 minute. Na aban to me
very quick.
I am about 1 minute. Omu to me for munyina mra obi aye nyina yemfa ya no ntumi yansra aban se ye nuanom ma no bebre with detention omo bre. Yakofo munyina bra Alifa twatum quick na yanko
Kwame bibia wako there
bibia ko so ye menua
Kwame my first sha boys we no guys we want some about to get new fancy o and ya mi boy na my so tight e was don go e furniture who say e kwa ha jini no baloma mi no manoma yenti na mantina fa video amba because me more investigation because I have a lot of things to say and so Yakupo boy Saturday me akasa we have a program about this, but Kwame, would you hear me?
Me too, Pacho Kasa.
Kwame, who your program now? Me, I'm a fellow. So, guys, no, we need to know what we have to do with these guys. Who the make an idea? You bet you more, some better, more, and too much. And I'm always among for being so etika, among for the L page. Jungle, yeah, your friend say Jungle, Facebook bloggers, you know, they have a problem with each other. I say, you have a problem with some people, and one Kasano, you have a problem with other people. So then listen to people who are making comments, insulting each other. They have their own agenda, whatever they do. What can I say? So, Obika say, where in the Paboninia, woman find 2, 3, or every another. Ona mikano ebi ana oboa sa guy na wo mo body di no me akasa ni de me enye obi a me ne kasa but I met him once in a Hajj that was in 2017 or 18 me ne eya no manoma kakra ekoya program bi about Hajj board Ghana Hajj board through that na me na hu one time that say but they have a problem with other bloggers. So no matter what, you say me one kasana uchi ono. Among for the town, obi ya de bi na be try. Me akasa where I say. Me a me na wono. Jango na mkasa imu ho. Obi be kasa ali fe say. Where I say. They have their own agenda on social media. So leave them with that. Don't bring this issue. Now on the destroy program na ye no. Yeah program na ye no. Guys na ma kwabu girl no. Mo sha kwesi asam no. Woman na say ye di no mo anya we no one anya the case na about we see kata. Right now we don't want to change the topic. The topic is about the agenda that has been beaten. Oba one mo na wo si mo fa ya ta de ma mi she. Mo fa ta de na ma na she. Who was Saudi? No, we know some more just our Saudi. No, our Mudi. Yenim Bibi Akosubia, tapping the people who are a lot in the Zongo community. My job was check that this Saturday coming. Now we are somewhere. Principal Kuzambono, because sometimes I just keep quiet because woman every more we are crazy for. Yeah, deal. Yeah, you have bought them go. Yeah, deal. Everyone on social media also. Jimmy, some and on mobile social media. And sometimes we no topic to be on social media. Now I show more because something that is not going to help the Zongo or the Muslims or the guy in Ghana.
Yes.
What do I have to worry about? Probably, let me know what I say. Ultimate from TPP. Anyway, between my contribute to me more now.
Of course. Yes.
Why? Because I want Ghana to move.
Yes.
Me know Kasa. I need to say. Zongo. No me know Kasa. What do we can say?
Yes.
And see, why do you want Zongo community? No, ask them what are they doing on social media blogging in Zongo community. Not just talk and talk and talk. We need to get them arrested. Those guys need to be arrested immediately.
Okay.
So we can't just say any problem our page. I don't believe in that. You have to see it with the clear. No, only for one yawa. No, ayaw.
Okay.
Oh, na mekano. I would have called you who your program here. I would have not thrown in. Let me work as
Martin, medasipi.
Because this issue with me. Nanya Majai Oba Panye, Mubapo Oba say because of some Christian. What is the difference between Muslim and Christian? If you are a Muslim and you beat a Christian for no reason, you are just a fool. A fool is better than them. A fool is better than them. What they did to that them, and Allah will never forgive them. They will see the same thing. The same thing ever appear. When we take pictures, we are saying, "Enter." Oba etimi so say won ya kunu ware won na enye jimi som na maye enye jimi som na maye who are why I was Saudi Arabia? Who are you in Saudi Arabia? Who are you in Saudi Arabia? Mo ti na Saudi Arabia ma ti ti ma ni sika na mu ti mo na mo na mo yem ko ti asa ma mo ni ti tu on mo na
mo sika no maye den
o se ne plus o se
mo jijo mo sika no maye den
Hey,
Nana Boko Miniana, Asama Benio.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, machine.
Well, now a minute discount. And Casa, I Nana Prempe. Nana, work a video no.
My video no. My said, many business on guy this send from Dubai and a brand, but I send it to Saudi. It's a number of me shaggy and a class and a bear. I come here to get room. Facebook near
yes.
They try may not get a number. Then you was on anything come on. I was so happy to say, wow.
The video no call guy Saudi embassy. Yeah, the boys in here don't come Saudi embassy. Yeah, the video no come on. Na Saudi embassy for I send ya ko Bukromo near Chio Munina.
Very good. But they have no right. Say Nipamaya even in your crana. A crew
voice no form Kakra.
They just say Nipan in your crana. A crew no was on a mumra and it was any energy. What you mean,
yes.
Aha, a crew mumra. And I was an energy, and Yamona, Mono, boys are Momako, Mosmo Hosono, and I'm modern Rabesham same.
Yes,
and Babes and Quasi.
Yes.
So I was very angry. Me share video no. Once again, a crocus across it was a moment nation attack the crana, was a daddy. Just a move video just to disgrace her. One shall attack the crime was a daddy. Oh, and Quasi some no more, and then was away. I was so happy, say, because. This is maybe a video is busy and no maybe say I'm any John. No maybe say I'm any John near the since I'm quite a was on the
Nana, when we say Ghana Hano, oh, my dear Yakati. Nana Kafra, my mamma dear Nakati. Oh, say Ghana Hano, sa a dear way now, air cosono. And one a man of Wobiko Captain Mahama, no Saukai.
Yeah.
And one a man of Wobi Eku Yenana be or north, because Obia feels say, Aberwan feels almost 2 minutes or Mubayan or Mufilis or Mubaya, like Obia saw them Randishan and San on 1 day any ope. And you know, media my migraine says, Aberwani Wono. The Captain Mahama Wono ain't me as a Sagana for Agrian. Aberwani Wono, and this awesome way see. We have to use this to send a strong signal to Obia. I will say they end the mob justice in Ghana. And you know, Monamo Egypt, Sanka Egypt, and Obia were more than 50,000 followers. Biano, we a media house. I will say we register. And you know, we a big media house. They say also Munina, you can't boom. Na you to me ensure say, sa I idea boys in the year no. Omo nya ho asotwen. Enti no bibia besi bia no so no friend say mebo amane memo aso ati.
Okay. Now your friend say can again be kasa na ke dia kemenya no 1-on-1 like am na pa.
Me send the number na ma. Me send the number na ma I will WhatsApp. Na woni na di nkomo na yen hwe so say minim say maybe sound say ono abetumi atwa ne ticket abagana. I omo beti ase o mbisa omo say ya de ono abetumi atwa ne ticket na ombenya sa chartered flight ya e ba bia. Na say omo ho no Ghana 4 girls on yebetumi yenya betumi akan ho abom ni agege sika bi na omo de aye friends say aha ni betumi aye abo omo bia no. Na yesi obi kura de ne ba 2 months yakofa no enti no ni bibia betumi aye de abo omo nyina no ye nyina se wi ase aye ketwa wo do anu to asem wo Ghana wo de ato wo ba bia na ye hu se bia ne ba 2 months no ne ho ye obi hwe no bibia betumi aye de abo nipa bia de me de I'm all for it enti no me send na na bedi nkomo we chiro why me yo
no problem.
Me da sipin.
You know, so you already have the video to the Ministry of Affairs in Ghana for them to explain what.
Oma handle video no to Ministry of the Foreign Affairs. Okay, okay, yo. And you know, yadamase. Whatever comes out of this, no, you better follow up. Nino, say omo the video na Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Into you better follow up. Whatever comes out of it, no. I'm say okay nka me kobat we dey nkomo bi wa ma mindi nkomo we real quick ma mindi nkomo we real quick I'm say entokwa bi esi we chiri ho hello
Agoti
na ada na we jiga we chiri ho sa
me ba cho ma me few minutes na me reply obi on platform
eh nyabotre
one here. The choice says since when did satisfying your feelings become a crime? And I boy the other choice said because 7 na make and dem. I got it. Sa never we no. Yama tu entwa. E be kobone. What is the chenati? The time a boy no butu na nim no.
Yes. Yes.
I got it. Mudu ka mu do zungu. Yimi na etizongo. Mu ka ko mi duanla. What you say?
Yes.
And no more need to feelings no crab that one satisfy one was so besi.
Eh nyabotre.
Nyabotre sabi onye kwasi Nyankopon nim se e kan ye ho no de kan ye ho.
Nyabotre. Da mo copy nino na ma no nino na ma mo ko. Nyabotre ekua nyabotre. What's the feelings aye dem me sha dan ti ase sa.
When did satisfying your feelings become a crime?
What's say e bana one satisfy wasu besi.
Wasu kwasi akote wasu besi omo hu ni wonu so ka tamo monte because omo hu nsane omo we is about the truth be told no kwa na make kire ono fine o dey say even to aye bone kwa na kokwa bu no koye no mo twina so mo fa ne nice way and then right kwa na omo wo akote is about time omo dey mracha omo nsane na what you bring them to
no dey nya wo ka no dey no kre say omo dey mracha omo nsane o say eni omo dili na ase asam na wo ka na ba be confuse me kakra
the police no aye bone kwa na mo fa ne nice way na mo fa foundation okay no one is against that because e bia na law e code say no wo ho but o be sure ba ni now do na butu nanim the time boy ni butu nanim na enema ne kagu ye no just imagine sa ko for na wo say e bi omo ba na ye mari e bi omo shoa e bo ball no mo hu se ete chi omo to na omo ni han ya next time omo nya sa ball ni bi seriously me bu rough me bu rough omo trust akoma to omo imagine say your omo sisters are how would they feel?
Yes.
Your family member, how would they feel?
Yes.
It's about time I was see Jai's idea no. You call a spade a spade. What they did was totally wrong. What they did was totally wrong. Later, much whatever happens, you know, everywhere. No, you open your side no more. No, you man and cow, your man and cow no more. Captain Mama, dear, is see, at least come out from final lesson.
My year free Ghana half, you would copy be man soon in mob justice, instant justice.
Mammy age, no should go no boom, I mean, say, only Mammy Cohan and Waffle. Who went him the day is a precace? Ubin and should out the iron. And I got it. I mean, out here.
Medasi. I say again, and him the day a precace is I said computer. Precace no. I just said computer. Nechino. Sister, I know you. I want no man. Hey, Nino. Nino, they were not the moment. Bonama, mammy. I come here upon one no. What's the number? 49 00 49 152 160 720 11. Hey, Nino. Hey, sister. Na equia offers to see us in a free zone way. Honestly, some no winning miss well.
Hello?
Nino.
Yeah, bro.
Amen. Nino, that is a.
Boko, be watching out here.
We are come on. I just Monte Carlo show.
Okay. And then my Baba be a good program, I say, but I quite say, you Alifa by and so Missumidi, minim, Obi, a fellow Bukaya. Me be can watch him, but I say, my Alifa guy, Mumma, your focus, Uniana. Yenuana, ye na see Babe Bon, Mumma,
Yenuabano, yes.
Intimidi Rukaya, some Edia Trinching. Okay. But me tell you yesterday, I do. Me also video, Monday, and almost say, Saudi Assembly, Obian Temenka. Says Obeka, no Maba Gosu, and a man say, what himself, I mean, what would the problem with the Catremia? The met my piano major, and to one Mabeka problem, a problem literally, and a job, so many Babetu social media. And internet trainer, minimum because I said, the idea of my year. Yemiano, minim obano pax, sabi, miso mi won ma ewufi. So obi party yemini aba pasi padia, enya dia, ebe koyi. Enti mini alikasaya no, ena endrechi wodi video no, edi call your guide wo Ghana where police ni pay ni pa and it was share video na what that say you found call ma foreign minister face and then I ma wo move you know wo mudi video e come on na and wo mo ankasa le frère say we have to come to their office and it you ko na ye no mo tiken ko mo na ye evidence no ewo mensa any guys ni na adia wo mo hwe no any bibia gen wo prison kura wo yard no the protection center no yes this information no bibia de ma wo and I'm say okay you call back next week wo mo be safre and nti ye hwe wo mo ni next week na ya hwe adia bitima na yeso yetimi aboa union no just
not just a medical video no crack on foreign affairs ministry say asama esi was go my idea papa et no once a home medical a report no yes we be follow up now foreign affairs ministry for them who say asama ya asem bi hia Ghana for pa et my idea very good say my way no na send be ya ye nyina ye nua ezongo bloggers no mon come home boom hwe problem I was ongo no as we say individual na we anyway we issue we that be me a friend say minya nkamu nyina wo Halifa friend say Mola mu nyina mbeka mu ho abom ba ko na mo fight for the Zongo community what we say me ye to aba na aban ba on beka so be Spentex development also be Zongo development. There are so many things that are needed in the various Zongos. And it just zongo like you neglected zongo no for a long time, and there is the need for the youth and then to use the power of social media and internet and all that we have to push an agenda that is going to change the communities in the next few years. And so it is very, very important, sir, you guys will come together, use your media to fight for your common good. Oh, here, my friend, na my friend Halifa, na my friend Munina, ya conference call, Zoom conference, ya kasa. There are so many issues that you need to address. Sentokwesia, people go to the Zongos, and what do they go there to do? They are going to look for guys to go and fight. But the scholarship by your friend Zongo Fuana, no, they do not call you. Why don't they call you? So what is important is for you guys to come together and say, if we are the people, John Mahama, the bodyguard for Omufihin, Omufizongo. Jay Kufuor, the bodyguard for Omufihin, Omufizongo. Nanado, the bodyguard for Omufihin, Omufizongo. And so why is it that every year they don't give the Zongo youth a certain quota in police and military, because these are the guys in terms of this kind of a humano, in terms of security and intelligence, a humano, omo smart in that way. Why isn't there a quota for Zongo youth? All of these are issues that you guys can look at and push. That is very important. You guys need to come together. The only problem that we have is when we are not united. Enunti na brofo ba ha. Now almost started so more Dutch for Portuguese for then they went and met in Berlin. And then they decided to partition Africa. So when you read the history of the partitioning of Africa, that is what happened. I'm so mumayenche mayenko na ye chomwa ye the Ghana so they can rule you. That is what happened in Africa. And you guys today in 2020, you do not have to allow people to divide you to rule you. You must come together and build your communities. And you better come some later.
Thank you very much. Okay, me apologize to be our platform which say my father should be a tricky tension of common so any day. I do apologize for that. Yes, I do apologize for your viewers. Yes, I do apologize for that.
Problem in here. My friend, my friend had me son cannot. My friend, my friend, you know, will sort it out. Why? Nyamisho we are. Okay. Had you also edu. It's a happy. Edo Fitl, yes, I know. Edo Fitl. Thank you. Edo Mubarak. Edo happy Edo Mubarak to all Muslim friends. Madam Wasipi, Yamish Rubia.
All right. Thank you.